Diary, hello. It is Monday, the 14th of April 2025. I'm going to attempt to do what I call the cardboard unboxing of the Apple Mac Studio without swearing. Let me explain. So, unless you're living under a rock, you will have noticed that in the United States of America, a certain gentleman seems to be acting principally by himself and via a set of executive orders bypassing the rest of the democratic process and imposing, well, this week it's slightly less, but last week it was over 100% tariffs on finished goods or components coming into the USA from China. I believe that this action is not set to continue for much longer, but I'm hedging my bets. And hedging my bets means to say that I've actually invested as much as you can ever invest in a new computer system in this Apple Studio system. So this has been shipped by UPS. And I will say at the front, again, this is a cardboard unboxing. I'm trying to stay out of the politics as such, although I find them to be intensely disagreeable and an insult to so many aspects of a modern life. But if you order this from Amazon, for example, Amazon puts the Apple box into its own box and surrounds it with sort of space packaging. So you would get the Amazon box, and inside that box would be some packaging to stop this box moving around, but you'd see this box. So this is the box that Apple produces, and I think because Apple are trying to get the goods out of the door, my goods came via UPS. Now, I do regard UPS as the top tier shipper. So I can find no better shipper than UPS. And if you can remember, even in the UK, we have those quaint UPS vans that drive around, and they're very distinctive. Only UPS can afford to have that level of separate infrastructure. Amazon can't afford it, and other carriers cannot afford it. So here we are. This is the Apple Studio. This is a pull tab. This is as it actually came from the UPS delivery man, who I know very well. This is a pull tab. I'm going to pull this pull tab and let's see how it goes. Very nice. So I've got a custom box. You see that? Got the sides coming down. There's not a great deal of padding, if any. It says Mac Studio. I'm opening this here, and this opens to the back. I've got a lovely box with a handle. So don't forget, this is the cardboard unboxing. We're going to do the product unboxing. So remarkably, this box doesn't contain any padding. It's a box that will self-disassemble without too much hassle. You see these tabs are in there, only just. This one's come out. So you can see this will just open up straight away. What I would advise, obviously, if you're getting such a product and such a box, you keep the box. You keep the box for a standard number of days in case you want to return it. So if you do need to return it, you're going to return it in this wonderful box. There we are, putting the box back together. So the takeaways are, for a Mac Studio, the box contains no padding. It's a thin box just to surround the Mac Studio itself. There will be a further unboxing, of course, of the product itself. Thanks for watching.